Today I'll solve one fluid mechanics numerical problem based on dimensional analysis by Rayleigh's method. So here is a problem statement. The time period t of a pendulum depends upon the length of the pendulum and the acceleration due to gravity g. Derive an expression for the time period. So here step number 1, first defining the relationship. Assume that time period t is a function of one, length of the pendulum L, and second, acceleration due to gravity g. Therefore we can write t is equal to k L to the power a and g to the power b, where k is a constant and a, b are the parameter. Now step number 2, substituting dimension. So substitute the dimension on the both side of the equation 1. So the dimension of t is capital T and dimension of L, that is length, so that is L, that is L to the power a, and dimension of g, that is L t to the power minus 2 to the power b. So simplify the dimensional expression so that t is equal to k L to the power a and here L to the power b, t to the power minus b. Now equating the dimension of mass, length and time on the both side, and then we have so power of t. So if you see here, power of t in the left hand side, that is 1, and on the right hand side, that is minus b 2b. So we can write 1 is equal to minus 2b. So from that b will be minus half, 1 by 2. Now here power of in L in the left side, that is 0, there is nothing is there. So we can write that m to the power 0, L to the power 0, t to the power minus 1. So that will k L to the power a plus b and t to the power minus 2b. So from here we can write that both side. So here that is not, that is 1. Okay, so now here that we can write already we did that power of t 1 minus 2b, so b is equal to minus half, and 0. So you can see here that is L power is 0 in the left hand side and a plus b. So we can write that 0 is equal to a plus b, so a will be minus b, that is half. So substituting the values of a and b into the equation 1, so that will be t is equal to k L to the power half and g to the power minus half. Now determining the constant k. So the value of the constant k can be determined from the experiment, and it is found from the experiment that k is equal to 2 pi. So the expression for the time period t becomes t is equal to 2 pi root over of L by g. So final expression for the time period t is equal to 2 pi root over L by g. That is the answer. That's it. Thank you.